Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we're making pan-roasted cod on a bed of cabbage and apples. In this recipe we're going to be using our butter-infused olive oil, also our wild dill-infused olive oil, and our Gravenstein apple white balsamic. Gravenstein? Anyway. This recipe has a lot of nice sweet and savory notes going on, so we're using red cabbage and a couple of apples here. It's just going to make a really nice bed for our cod to sit in. If you live local, we love to get our cod from Jigs and Reels at the Wincy Mill Market in Paris. They get their seafood from the East Coast, and it's always fresh. Alright, so we've already cut our gala apples into chunks. We're going to put them through the food processor on the shredding plate, and then we're going to do the same with our cabbage. Tonight we are doing rice as our side. If you want to make that more low carb, you can obviously omit that or do whatever side you'd like. I've already added some extra virgin olive oil to our pan. It is the Barnea extra virgin olive oil from Australia. It's a beautiful medium intensity olive oil. Why cook with olive oil? Well, whatever you add olive oil to actually raises the nutritional value of your food because of the monounsaturated fats. And whatever you add olive oil to in your meal actually helps your body to absorb more of those nutrients. Now, a little trick for this recipe. It does call for butter, but we're actually using our butter-infused olive oil. What's great about this is there is no dairy in this olive oil. It's all plant-based to smell and taste like butter, and it's all natural. For those of you who are lactose intolerant, this is your guy. This cod's been cooking for about 10 minutes. She's ready. Nice and steamy. Got nice color. Beautiful color with the purple as well. Let's get these guys plated. What I love about this is that the cabbage has actually turned the cod purple. I think that's hilarious, and I'm just excited to try this. We've actually never made this before, so here we go. Get everything together. pepper is a nice touch too. But I love how you're getting the savory dill, you're getting the sweet apple. Goes really nicely with the fresh cod. And this is a recipe where fresh ingredients really do make a difference. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time. This recipe calls for some red cabbage. It adds... Alright, so we've already cut our gala apples into chunks. We're going to be putting them through the food processor on the grater slash...